A very technical question is there. A body is projected with a speed 196 meter per second at an angle 60 with horizontal. Find magnitude of velocity when velocity vector of body is perpendicular to initial velocity vector. Suppose this angle is theta. At time of ascent, velocity vector never can be perpendicular to initial vector. Ascent time में कभी नहीं हो सकता, descent time में हो सकता है. और एक कंडीशन और भी है कि थीटा should be greater than 45. If theta is less than 45, तो this condition cannot be. ये कंडीशन कभी नहीं आ सकती कि velocity vector will be perpendicular to initial vector. तो remember, here angle 60 degree, it's okay. Velocity vector will be perpendicular. Suppose at point P, at this point, velocity vector is perpendicular. So here this will be the velocity vector. So if you are taking a straight line, and this straight line also we have taken, so what happened? So this initial vector and this is velocity vector after time t. So they are perpendicular to each other. So this angle is 90 degree. So you can see, if I am drawing a parallel line here at point P, what happened? This parallel line, so this angle is theta, so this angle is also theta. This is 90, so this will becomes 90 minus theta. So this angle is also 90 minus theta. So what will be the horizontal component of this V? So that is V cos 90 minus theta. And horizontal component of U is what? That is U cos theta. So one thing we know, during projectile motion, no horizontal force is acting. Horizontal velocity remains constant. Means this horizontal component V cos 90 minus theta is equal to U cos theta. That is V sin theta is equal to U cos theta. V is equal to U cos theta upon sin theta. Cos theta upon sin theta, that is cot theta. So that would be the relation when velocity is perpendicular. But condition, remember, theta should be what? Greater than 45. Okay. If it is equal to 45, so at last moment when it will touch the ground, that time velocity vector will be perpendicular. So here theta is 60, no problem. U, what is U? 196 cot 60. So that is 196 upon root 3. This will be the magnitude of velocity when it is perpendicular to the initial velocity vector. That is, D option will be the correct option. A body is projected with a speed 196 meter per second at an angle theta 30 degree with horizontal. After what time velocity vector is of body is perpendicular to initial velocity? What they are asking? After what time the velocity vector of body is perpendicular to initial vector? Suppose you at an angle theta we have projected. See here, in time of ascent they cannot perpendicular, velocity vector cannot perpendicular to initial vector. In time of descent only, when descent is there, that time only velocity vector can be perpendicular. So suppose at this point velocity vector will be this. So what will be the direction of velocity vector is this, initial vector is this. If you are drawing the figure, they will perpendicular to each other. So this angle should be 90 degree. This is it. Suppose at point P, what happened? Velocity vector is perpendicular to initial vector. Options they have given 20 second, 40 second, 60 second, and none of these. See here. Suppose object is projected with velocity u at an angle theta. What will be the initial velocity? The initial velocity u is equal to what happened? U cos theta I cap plus u sin theta j cap in vector form. After time t, what we know? Horizontal component is always same. Horizontal component each and every point same. So at point P, horizontal component Vx is equal to what? V cos theta. What about the vertical component? The vertical component V is equal to what? U minus V is equal to Uy plus A by T. After time T, vertical initial velocity, initial component here you can say horizontal component U cos theta and the vertical component is what? U sin theta. The initial velocity is U sin theta and the acceleration is minus g because it is downward. So what happened? Velocity after time t, so that is U cos theta I cap plus U sin theta minus gt. If this velocity vector is perpendicular to initial velocity, V is perpendicular to U, so dot product will be 0. The dot product V dot U. So here V dot U is equal to what? A1 A2 plus B1 B2. V dot U, so that is U cos theta into U cos theta plus U sin theta minus gt is equal to 0. So U square cos square theta, here U square sin square theta minus U sin theta gt is equal to 0. Cos square plus sin square, that is 1. U cos theta, U sin theta gt I have taken right hand side. So what is t? T is equal to U cancel U square, that is U upon g sin theta. What will be the time? I have found a relation between U, G and sin theta. After time U upon G sin theta, velocity vector will be perpendicular to initial vector. Here U they have given 196, G is 9.8, theta they have given 30 degree. So 196 divided by 9.8. This is 1 by 2. Point we have removed. 0 to 98 to that to 20 into 2, that is 40 second. After 40 second, what happened? This velocity vector will be perpendicular to the initial vector. Here you can say second option is correct. See here, 40 second we will say generally second option correct. But actually second option is not correct. In this question option correct is what? D. None of these. I have found t is equal to 40 second. But t is equal to 40 second is not the correct answer. So see here. Actually I want to tell about the formula. What is the relation between t and u when velocity vector is perpendicular to initial vector? If we'll see here, total time period t is equal to, for this motion, 2u sin theta upon g, time of flight for this motion, u is 196, sin 30 upon g 9.8. You can see here 2196 1 by 2 if point you are removing, that is 0, 98 to 2 cancel, so only time of flight is 20 second. In 20 second it will fall. The 40 second cannot be the answer. 20 सेकंड में ही नीचे गिर जाएगा तो फिर 40 सेकंड कहां से होगा? ग्राउंड है यहाँ पे, ठीक है. हाँ, तो रिमेम्बर वन थिंग कि इफ एंगल ऑफ प्रोजेक्शन इज लेस देन 45, देन वेलोसिटी वेक्टर कैन नॉट बी परपेंडिकुलर टू इनिशियल वेक्टर. तो हम पहले इसको आंसर हम बता सकते थे कि नन ऑफ दिस होगा. क्योंकि एंगल कितना दे रखा है बेटा? 30 डिग्री. इफ 30 दे हैव गिवन, तो ऑलवेज क्या होगा बेटा? व्हेन प्रोजेक्शन इज देयर, ये हमेशा 30 से कम ही आएगा एंगल. तो 30 एंड लेस देन 30 ऐड करोगे तो कभी वो 90 नहीं हो सकते. तो कभी भी क्या होगा बेटा? वेलोसिटी वेक्टर विल नॉट बी परपेंडिकुलर टू इनिशियल वेक्टर. तो यहां पर ध्यान देंगे कि आंसर क्या होगा बेटा? नन. तो वन कंडीशन इज देयर, कभी भी अगर वेलोसिटी वेक्टर परपेंडिकुलर टू इनिशियल, तो थीटा का मान क्या होना चाहिए बेटा? ग्रेटर और इक्वल टू 45. इफ 45 इज देयर, तो व्हेन इट विल टच द ग्राउंड, दैट टाइम इट विल परपेंडिकुलर टू इनिशियल वेक्टर. हाँ, if theta is greater than 45, तो directly you can apply this formula. T is equal to U upon G sin theta. If theta is 60, if theta is 54, theta का मान और भी कोई एंगल होता है greater than 45, तो directly you can apply and you can find the formula. In this question, actually what we are seeing, हमें क्या लगता है कि 40 second will be the correct answer, but correct answer is what? None of these, because velocity vector never perpendicular to initial vector for this given angle theta is equal to 30 degree. तो ध्यान रखो बच्चों, in this question answer will be none of these.